In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the menu to divide your Google Docs file into 3 columns. This is a great way to organize your text, especially if you're working on something like a newsletter or brochure where a multi-column format is more visually appealing than the standard single-column document. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by opening the Google Docs file that you're planning to format. This can be an existing document that you're working on, or you may choose to create a new one if you're starting fresh. Just make sure the content you want to format is in place, as this process will visually change how your information is displayed. Once your document is open and you're ready to make some changes, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Here, you're going to see a number of different options, but the one you need is labeled Format. Clicking on Format will trigger a drop-down menu that houses many of the document formatting features offered by Google Docs. In this drop-down menu, look for the Columns option. This is the feature that will allow you to adjust the number of columns in your document. By default, documents in Google Docs are set to a single column format, basically one long page. However, for more complex layouts like magazines or papers, using multiple columns can make the content much easier to read and visually appealing. Once you've clicked on Columns, another menu will appear, giving you a few column options. You'll see several icons showing different column configurations. Your task here is to select the 3-column icon. It's typically the icon that shows 3 identical side-by-side rectangles or lines, representing the flow of columns. And there you have it. Once you've clicked on that 3-column icon, your document will instantly be divided into 3 columns. You'll notice that the text automatically adjusts to fit this new format, distributing evenly across all columns. It might take a few seconds to fully reformat, especially if your document is extensive. Using this method allows you to switch back and forth between column settings easily, so feel free to try out different configurations until you find the exact layout that suits your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now that your document is in 3 columns, you can proceed to adjust the text flow to ensure everything looks as neat and organized as you intended. Don't hesitate to experiment with different formats, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial where we'll explore more exciting features to enhance your Google Docs experience.